Ah! Jacob, come outside. Are you terrified yet? This is my steed.
This is a giant beaver!
No.
It's so fast!
Meow.
We're gonna have another Paul Walker situation if you don't slow down.
Oh.
Ethan, the boy went from 9 to 77.
Right.
You
Jimmy-
only pumped movement speed. How
Hold on.
why would you do that to him? He was just a boy.
There goes Chuck.
Is Chuck dead?
No, he's
No,
just.
no, he's just fast as fuck, boy.
Oh, dude, he's stealing my stuff.
Yeah, he stole my crossbow!
He's okay. I killed him. Oh God, he's getting blown into the abyss.
Alright. Alright, I guess. Just
Fam,
gonna
I
go.
don't, fam, I don't see shit.
I'm no clipping.
Oh God, Jacob.
Wait.
Body. Okay. Wait, no, Jacob.
I'm pretty sure Jacob's body's fine. Okay.
Alright.
Is the autism over?
Probably
I don't know,
not.
we're still having a Lofa game night.
We're still
Yeah,
playing
sure.
the game, so.
What?
What did you do?
Oh man, hang on.
Whoa, what? Oh.
What'd you do, my fam?
You probably fucking killed Jacob on accident.
Emily.
I think he actually killed Jacob.
Wait,
Oh god.
Is Jacob AFK?
hmm
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
I think he's still at his house behind the stairs.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
The fucking Harry
Wait,
Potter
is he
guy.
on the server? Oh,
No.
no, he's unconscious. That's perfect.
I'm coming. What are you doing to him? What are you doing? Where are his stairs?
If you notice, there's something on his hands.
Yeah, handcuffs. I see that.
I'm handcuffing.
You're handcuffing him?
I'm handcuffing Jacob. Did I handcuff him to me?
Did like an idiot.
Oh my God! Did I really? No!
Yeah, no, I was wondering. You can
You're
make a
so
key.
dumb.
Just make a key. Just make a key.
I don't think I can make a key.
Or we could
Oh
just
wait,
do
wait,
this.
hang on. Remove handcuffs.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait.
wait. Hang on.
His body and handcuff them together.
Okay, yeah. So he's handcuffed. So when he wakes up, he won't be able to use his hands. Did he say he was coming back?
I think he said in an hour he would after his narcotics were done.
Oh.
Jacob, get on the server.
What did I do? What happened? Is my
What
house
did
gone?
I
didn't do
do?
anything.
What happened?
I swear to Christ. Ethan.
Midnight, don't help him, okay?
I won't.
Oh my, what did you do?
What are you do?
Wait, did you get?
What do?
Are you okay? He
He
can't punch him. He can't use his hands. Okay, so
Oh, he's running away.
Oh, he's running. He's running. He's just running.
Guys, he's
Why
going.
the police ain't niggas?
What?
What is it?
He's just running.
Shoot him like they did to that guy in To Kill a Mockingbird.
I don't even think like
God.
he's acknowledged what. Oh Jesus
no,
Christ! You shot an arrow and he's unconscious.
I know. I shot him with a narc.
Yeah. He is most definitely very passed out. I might have overdosed you on narcotics, Jacob. I opened it and I used like 10 of them on him
He's dead.
after shooting him with like Tranker.
Wait, he's dead?
No, he's alive. But I used
That's good.
basically what you would need to take down like a mammoth on a man named Small Black Man.
Take shit.
Oh Jesus! All right, here I'm gonna.
Yo, Stego, get off of my asshole, please.
Wait, can we lock this?
Oh, we have to kick him from the tribe of Lofa so he stays in there.
Wait, hang on.
Banish
I
from tribe of Lofa.
need to put him down. Put him out for a little bit longer so I have enough time to take him out.
I need to put him down
Here, wait.
like a dog.
Option.
Holding a bunch of
Oh, he's
salami
awake!
stuff.
Fuck your white ass
Don't let the
bitches.
nigger wake up.
Wait, guys,
Guys.
I have a question.
Come. Oh, he just pooped in his cage. Guys, come look at my pet bird.
Squawk!
Are we starting a zoo?
We should just sell him to his slavery.
Oh, so Jacob, just to make the matters worse, I used some of your fiber for the cage.
uh,
Why was that so devastating towards him?
the small black guy.
Because he's been collecting fiber.
Okay, Jacob, when you wake back up, I'll add you back into Lofa. If anyone's ever been annoying, we can just,
Knock them out.
yeah.
Knock the fuck out of him.
Jacob, I'm the one with the gun. Sarah's
Yeah, I'm free!
Jacob punched me and every dinosaur from around here just went and destroyed him.